I'm super excited to be one of the event coordinators of today's mission. We are giving flu shots to the Baumholder military community. Come on, come on. It's very important to get your flu shot every year right around this time in October. The consequences of not getting the flu shot are having downtime at work or decrease your mission readiness, decrease soldier lethality, all the way up to hospitalization and for some patients even death. For anyone who's interested in getting the flu shot, they can go to the Regional Health Command webpage or to the Regional Health Command Facebook page, and it'll give the list of all of the locations that are going to have outreach vaccines, or they can also go to their local military treatment facility to get their vaccine.